Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will let you know about the syllabus of Red Hat operating system, and this will be detailed information about in future what I'm going to cover from the course RH 124 and RH 134. Basically, RH 124 will give you the basic idea about the Red Hat operating system, and 134 is a detailed one. Once this course you both will learn, you will be able to learn these two courses. Definitely you will be master in Red Hat operating system, and you will be able to manage and troubleshoot the operating system. We will be covering first Red Hat operating system RH128, and we will describe how this Linux operating system is and what is the purpose. Next is login into the Linux system and the simple command. I think that I have already shown you how to log in and run the commands. Next, related to files and directory, that I have already shown you the videos, and you can go to my channel for this related videos. Next is resolve problem using local help. In case if you want to view any specific command, what are the options? Linux have inbuilt features. With the help of that, you can see the commands relative parameters. This will help you, and you no need to take the help from internet. Next is manage text files from command output or in text editor. I have already created video for this, how you can get the output of a command and redirect into a particular file or in a display. Create, manage, delete local users. So I think this will be the next video that I will prepare for you guys. Next will be set up file system permissions on files, interpret the security effects on different permission settings. So this will be related to permissions, very important chapter. Next will be security effects of different permission settings. Monitor and manage processes. What are the process will run inside the operating system and how to manage them. Next is evaluate and control processes running on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So this is also related to processes. Control services and daemons. So there will be information about how the services and what are the daemons. Next is configure and secure SSH. SSH, how you can jump from one system to another system using the SSH feature. Next is configure secure command line service on a remote system using OpenSSH. So remote system facility, how you can do without asking for the password. This is very important chapter. Next is analyze and store logs, how your operating system capture the logs and where the location for storing and how you can control it. How you can do the housekeeping, network monitoring, like how your interface work, how you can manage them. Next is archive and copy files from one system to another system. This is very important. This is a basic request that system administrator do on daily basis. Download and install the package. That's very important. These are the functions you basically perform during the patching. Everybody should know about it. Access, inspect and use existing file system and storage attached to a Linux server. So you should know how you are going to uh, attach the storage, what are the storage are being used. Analyze server and get support. Investigate, resolve issue, web based management interface. So basic, these are the chapters that I will be covering in Red Hat 1 to 8 course. Hopefully guys you will like this courses and the content inside it. Now let's move to the another one, and that's a very detailed one, that is Red Hat System Administration 2 contents, and that's called RH134. uh, if you guys are very interesting to make Unix operating system as part of your career, I would suggest you to go through this course as well, because RH124 will give you the basic information, but RH134 is the deep information about the operating system. So by having this course you will get to know how really the operating system works. So I have let's me take you to the another course, introduction. So this automatic installations, let's say you have 100 of servers. If you want to do installation at the same time for all 100 server, how you can do it? Next is regular expression using grab is very useful command which make your daily work, day-to-day work task easy. Next, creating and editing text files using vi editor, that's very important. And the next is schedule feature of Linux tasks. How you can schedule a job, like schedule task in Windows. So we have cron tab here. With the help of this, how you can schedule your jobs, all these things. So let's back to the managing priority of a Linux process. If you want to make any process critical, so how you can do it? Controlling access to files and access control list, it's very important. This is called addition kind of permissions. Now managing our SE Linux security, that's about the system security inside the Linux operating system. That's one of the enhanced feature, mm, which will help you to maintain Unix operating system more secure. Connecting to a network defined user and groups, how you can connect to network and its related groups. Adding disk, in case if you want to add one more file system, one disk, how you can do it? If you want to extend a disk size, how you can do it? Next is accessing network storage with network file system, NFS. Accessing network storage with SMB, let's say if you have storage on Windows operating system, how you can map on Linux operating system. So these are very important. Controlling and troubleshooting Red Hat Linux boot process, let's say operating system is booting and you are getting some issue, how you can troubleshoot. Limiting network communication with firewall D, that's related to your firewall. Comprehensive review of system administration too. So basically this is a very basic review of all the chapters you will be doing in RH134. So guys, these are the chapters very important, and I will try my best to create video for all, so that one by one steps you will get to know about the Linux operating system. Hope you like this video and you will be in touch with me, so that you can see all the videos and can perform their practical lab. And in case if you have any doubt, any you require more information, please comment on the below and let me know your queries and your interest for this specific syllabus. Thank you, bye bye, take care.